How to stay motivated when you are feeling bad. You know the daily life hustle and bustle of preparational routines, office workload and life management sometimes sucks even more than usual, especially when you are feeling bad. Staying motivated is hard times is the most important. Char, remember my last Valentine's Day.
I was so excited because of two reasons.
Number 1 was Smart. I heard from our mutual friend Fo, who revealed that Smart is going to propose me. She shared a photo of the ring that he was going to give me at the event. The second reason for happiness was due to a professional career. I got an excellent opportunity to present my ideas to the management.
This opportunity could give me a promotion to the desired post. That was my goal for years.
But the party night turned every excitement into pain.
When I went there, Sma was kissing a girl. After seeing the situation from the crowd, I did not go ahead. Perhaps I don't wanna make him hurt as he did to me. When I came out, tears were falling from my cheeks. So I decided to be a strong woman who could not be hurt by anyone. Perhaps that's why I went away to my hometown for refreshment. I don't wanna lose the professional opportunity. When I returned to the city, I found some emails of Sma on my mailbox. He wrote there, he did not mean to hurt me. He was just playing a game. They asked me to kiss the girls with closed eyes.
He thinks she would be me, but now he is totally ashamed of it. The email starts bothering me again. But I kept my focus on work. Now I am sharing you some top 10 tips that will also keep you motivated even when you are feeling bad. Let's start, but before, hit the subscribe and give your appreciation through like. Number 1. Rethink with a positive mind. It is one of the most effective and fastest ways to come out of the lost world. Just try to think about the opposite of negative feelings. Let me describe it with an example. When I was in trauma after the party night, I could not think about anything other than Sma kissing. So first of all, I tried to forget, but it was impossible for me at the moment. Instead of going hard on myself, I rethink the whole event, and especially the relation between Sma and me. I thought Sma was a cheating person. He was never serious about me. Not only that, he tried to ruin me when I was so close to success.
But I can prove myself how strong I am.
Number 2. Always challenge yourself. If you know the real enemy, who always discourages you, is only and only yourself,
then you are so lucky.
Because you can always stand out from the competition with others. All you have to do is challenge yourself. You can make a promise or offer yourself that you are the only one
who can win from your own self.
This tip will be more helpful during hard times. You can take my example as a reference. After coming from the party, I lost for a while. But then I challenged myself that I will never regret about him because I'm a strong lady. Instead, I challenged myself that nobody couldn't make me feel not friends, not my enemies, not my crush, and even not myself. Number 3. Exercise daily. A healthy body and a healthy brain is the best way to stay tuned for all the time. In a study, 790 members are enrolled in an exercise program.
Half of the members have given a workout routine of their choice,
but they are restricted to do that daily. The other 50% was not doing any activity except then their professional duties. The results were quite shocking. Exercising people
were more productive than non-exercising people.
So doing exercise provides more oxygen and blood to the brain.
It helps us to remain motivated and focused.
Moreover, some people misunderstood the exercise and fatigue of the routine. There is a lot of difference which affect our body. Exercise is always more than routine fatigue. It's like an extra activity than a schedule. I exercise daily for 1 hour early in the morning. It includes 5 minutes running, laughing class, and cardio, and a little bit of yoga.
It has changed my life.
Even I couldn't make myself demotivated quickly. But you can do anything,
like swimming, bicycling,
or gymnasium workout. The rule is very simple, as I told you before.
it should be then your daily fatigue. Tell me which one exercise you are going to do in the comments. Number 4. Meditate yourself. Some people could not go for exercises like patients or the people living in troubling areas, or just they don't wanna go for it. So meditation is the best remedy. When I went back to my hometown, I saw my old grandpa. She couldn't even walk, but was more motivated than myself. Like she was enjoying her life on the bed. I asked her what her secret to happiness. She answered, it's meditation. Yeah. Destroy the unhappiness and bring motivation. Now, I meditate daily
to get back my mind in my control. It gives me enough power you couldn't believe.
All you have to inhale and exhale your breath
with full attention to your body.
You can use your favorite music, but keep in mind, you have calmed down your nerves.
So do it properly.
There are different methods available on the internet. You can go for a trainer also. Personally, my favorite is yoga. Number 5. Avoid the demotivator. When some ups and downs come in your life,
people try to fuel up the fire,
sometimes by asking you again and again.
When I came back from the party,
there were many messages and calls coming on my phone. It really sucks when everyone around you starts asking you the same thing that you wanna forget. That's why I turned down my phone and went to my hometown to forget the whole event. But the demotivator could be anyone
or anything. Just try to get yourself out of the Pandora box.
But it didn't mean socialize yourself for weeks. Number 6. The goal.
Goals are the final lights of hope that do not leave you during dark days.
All you have to rediscover them again.
Sma and I were in a relationship for 6 months or less, but I was working for years, so I instructed myself to focus
on my goal.
It always helps me. Just try to remember the first day goal when you enter the new arena.
Remember the motivation level you have for the first time. Goals are like maps of success. You just have to find yourself on the map. It brings back motivation and happiness in life. As I paid my attention to my career goal, I imagined myself after being successful, and everything around me. It was like all the people around me are hollow inside. They don't know who I am. I have to prove it by my goals.
Number 7. Give yourself a deadline.
Once a king was at war. He decided to conquer the enemy land situated far away from after 7 seas. He knows if he lost the war, he couldn't come out from the guilt. To motivate his troops, he ordered them to burn the ships before the battle began. Now the troops and king had only 2 choices left.
The first one is to conquer the land with bravery, or die with a total loss.
They fought with more motivation, as they have a deadline. You can also use this technique to take control and motivation again. Just give yourself a deadline. Number 8. Avoid alcohol and drugs.
Some people, instead of facing the fears and setbacks,
went alcoholic. This is the worst mistake most people make.
Because drugs and alcohols are the best killers of motivation.
You couldn't even control yourself. So avoiding it could repair your motivation levels.
Number 9.
Take some good food.
An interesting study conducted at different people about their mood and feelings.
They tested some couples or crushes by ordering them to kiss each other. Then they placed some good food and asked them to eat. In comparison, they found people felt happier and motivated than kissing. So whenever you're feeling, go to your favorite restaurants and enjoy the best meal you love. It would give you the healing to start your business again. Number 10. Consult a psychiatrist if you are in depression. After every setback and unexpected thing, anxiety comes, but for short times.
If you are bothering yourself for a long time, then your anxiety has become a depression. People don't know about it. Results were so effective that I use it often. Now it's your turn to rethink. People even don't know whether they are in depression or not. Consult a doctor if you are suffering a mental for weeks. Sometimes they give some medicine and tasks to get back yourself. If you want to stay motivated, just come out of depression first. I always take care of my motivation level. You remember my story. I successfully present myself. Now, I am the general manager of the company. I forgive whatever Sma did that night. Now, he is junior to my post and I treat him like a boss. Hope you like this video. Show your love through a like button. Stay tuned, stay inspired. We will be soon with you with another interesting story. Bye bye.